If your computer isn't spitting out audio, that makes more than half the things you can do on it useless. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can fix audio issues in Windows 11. Audio problems in Windows 11 can show up for a lot of reasons, but let's just quickly get the basics out of the way. The first thing that you need to do is come down here to the Action Center and check your audio levels. Make sure that volume is enabled, and if volume is full and you still don't hear anything, click on this button right here. This will open up your Windows sound output, and make sure that the correct output device is selected here. There is a chance that your PC might be connected to speakers and headphones at the same time and might be sending audio to your headphones instead of your speakers, which is why you might get that option. Also scroll down to the volume mixer, and this will check for any open applications that you have. So make sure that any open applications or any applications that you're expecting audio from is maxed out just for the sake of testing, and make sure that your output device is selected correctly. Next up on the list is to run the audio troubleshooter. This is one of the most easiest ways you can use to fix most issues on Windows 11. So we're going to press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings, and now I'm just going to search for troubleshoot. So just click on troubleshoot settings, click on other troubleshooters, and you will see the audio troubleshooter right up here. The position might be different for you, but just go ahead and click the run button and you will be good to go. This will automatically diagnose any sort of audio issues and problems on your PC and will recommend fixes. So make sure you follow through the entire process, restart your PC, and audio should be working fine. Next up, it's very important to check your audio connections. Make sure that you've plugged in things in the right place. Make sure that speaker cables or headphone cables aren't connected to the microphone output, and vice versa. Generally, these are coded with symbols or with colors, so keep in mind that green is for speakers and output, and pink is for microphones and input devices. So make sure that your audio setup is wired correctly, that it's powered on if you're using an external subwoofer or anything of the kind, and just cross-check all connections to make sure that they're in the proper place. Next up, we're going to update our audio drivers to see if they are causing any problems. To do that, just right click the start menu icon and click on device manager. This will open up the device manager. We'll give it a second to load. Let me just collapse this. In here, we're going to look for audio inputs and outputs. I'm going to expand it, and you're going to have to find your speakers in here. As you can see, I'm using a USB plug and play audio device for my speakers. So right click and go ahead and click on update driver. This will open up this small window right here, and then you can either search automatically for drivers or browse your computer for default or legacy drivers that may be installed locally. Whatever the case might be, just follow along with either of these options to see what works, and the issue should be resolved. Another potential fix for the problem can be a Windows update. So just press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings, click on Windows update at the bottom, and as you can see, I have a pending Windows update that I need to install. Windows update often bring bug fixes and any other issues that might be causing problems on your PC, and they're often fixed in Windows updates. So make sure that you are on the latest version available for your PC. If nothing else works, you're going to have to reset your Windows installation. Now keep in mind that this is a last ditch effort, so if nothing else works, only then do it, because there is a chance you might lose some data or that you'll have to set up some settings again. What we're going to do is we're going to start, press the start key to open up the search menu, and we are going to search for Windows reset. That doesn't bring anything up. So we're just going to go ahead to Windows settings by pressing Windows key plus I, and I'm going to search for reset. You will see an option called reset this PC. We're going to click it, and then as you can see, we have the reset this PC option right here. So go ahead and click on reset PC. This will open up this dialog box. You can choose to keep your files or remove everything from the setup, and then you can proceed as instructed. and that should fix your audio issues on Windows 11. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. Or if you have any thoughts to share on this video, drop a comment below and I'll be there talking to you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.